Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club! Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back! We are going to have some fun with these toy surprises and learning our colors. First up,
Toy surprise! Toy surprise!
all right, let's take a look at what we got in our toy surprise Shopkins. What else do we have up next? Let's take a look at our fire truck. Fire truckers are red. The color red. Really cool fire trucks. Let's take a look at
Toy surprise! Toy surprise!
all right, toy surprise it is. Check out the unicorn. Oh, that's pretty cool. What color is that? The color blue. We love.
Toy surprise!
That's right. Let's take a look at our next toy. It's the color green. Thomas the Train. We love the color green. Green. Let's grab another.
Toy surprise! Toy surprise!
Let's open it up. It's a minion, my favorite. And what color is the minion? Oh yeah. He's the color yellow.
Toy surprise!
Cool, let's take a look at our next toy. Paw Patrol. Cool, I love the helicopter. And what color is the helicopter? Do you know the color? It's pink. Pink is the color. Awesome, guys. What else we got on the table? Let's take a look at our saw. Toy tools.
Toy surprise!
Red. The handle is red. And it certainly cuts, but you don't want to do that to your finger. Let's take a look at our next
Toy surprise!
surprise toys. It's a pig. Cool. All right, we got to pick another one off the table. It's another Paw Patrol. Cool. And what color is that vehicle? It's orange. Awesome orange. What do we have up next? It's going to be Kinder.
Toy surprise!
We love our.
Toy surprise!
Let's open up the Kinder and see what's inside it. Everyone loves toy surprises, especially when you can eat the delicious chocolates. We'll have to eat that later. Let's get back to our toys.
Toy surprise!
What could it be, guys? I think we got to piece it together, though. We got to build it. What could that possibly be? Oh, it's a bike. It's a green bike.
Toy surprise! Toy surprise!
Awesome. Let's put it together. We always get so excited when we get our
Toy surprise!
All right, cool. Take a look at that bike. It's green. All right, guys, let's take a look at what we got up next. The power drill. That's almost as cool as...
Toy surprise!
Cool, look at that drill. All right, guys, if you liked the video, give us a big thumbs up and take a look at our next video. Bye.